So guys, we were like back, and then we had enough time, so I decided why not to just clean up my mandir. This, as you can see, this is my present place where I've made mandir. I've already started cleaning, but then you know what, some stuff I've already moved here, to the other room, but then immediately I decided, oh, you know, I just forgot to turn on the camera. So yes, so as you will see, because tomorrow the Navratra starts. I mean, no, not tomorrow, the day after tomorrow the Navratra start. So we want that, you know, I'm just moving the mandir to the other place, and I'm just trying to make this as one of our storage room. So yes guys, let's see like how the setup is. I'm just in the middle of it, and I've already kept some stuff there. As you can see, there would be a little bit of mess here, but then please excuse me, because as I told you, I'm just trying to, you know, make some changes. So as you all know, we are all in action today. I mean, not all, me and my daughter. So she also decided to clean up her closet. So I'll just give you the you know, a glimpse of you know, how she'll arrange. It's right now it's not arranged, so I just wanted like her to arrange the stuff properly. This is how I have decorated right now, and I hope it looks good. I mean, yes, there are other stuff also. I have to fix that. If I can just show you quickly, like, you know, I have this Ganesh ji, you know. Oh, I'm sorry. I have this Ganesh ji. I have to fix it because I'm not tall enough, so I'm gonna hang somewhere for sure. And then I have this statue of Durga Mata, which it's very old, but it's very like close to my heart, and I always keep it. So if I'm not hanging, I'm gonna keep it here. So yes, so this, because I'll wait for my husband because he's tall, so he's gonna do it for me. So yes guys, this is how I've decorated, and hope you like it. Here I have all the Mata ki chunnis, which when I went home, like, you know, back home, I bought it, and there are others also, but then I've kept in the bag. So yeah, this is it. And this, I have the, you know, a place where I can put my books here, the puja books. Okay guys, hope you like my mandir, the way I have decorated, and if you have any suggestions and comments, please do let me know. And yes, if you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and comment below if you want me to, like, you know, make some changes. And people, those who are watching for the first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Then you'll be notified with the upcoming videos I have. So guys, wish you all a very happy Navratras. God bless you all. Take care of yourself.